5.4 and a 99 Expedition. 5.4 Triton. It's a little bit concerning that pieces of porcelain are missing, but we put a new one in there and it's firing just fine now. So
make sure you put on which side the cylinder's on.
Yeah, right. On a Triton, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the passenger side, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the driver's side. We spent a good while messing with cylinder number 5, which was the front of the driver's side, thinking that was cylinder 2, but it turns out it's not. Cylinder number 2 is the second one back on the passenger side. So, I guess only some people can be as special as me and Jordan. Anyhow, yeah, that's a bad plug.